What is going on YouTube? This is Richie's Revelations and welcome to my channel. My name is Richard Alvarez, aka the Tatted 3D Printer. Today's episode I'm gonna do a little unboxing, but what makes today different is it has nothing to do with 3D printing. Let me rephrase that. It kind of does have to do with 3D printing because it is my new Yamaha Music Cast Network receiver. I like to hear music while I print and work on my stuff, so I guess it is kind of affiliated with 3D printing. So first I'm going to unbox this, show you what's in the box, and then I'm going to reorganize my whole studio and then, ooh, that's some good lighting, and then hook it up. And I'm going to show you how to do that today, right now. Stay tuned. All right, let's see. Nice. We got a remote. Oh, just to show you, this is my 1984-86 receiver. Yeah. I'll just let you leave a comment below, and remember to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for that YouTube algorithm, because I'll really appreciate that. So let's get back. That one never came with the remote, so that's definitely a plus. I don't think I'm gonna be using that. You know, I'm in my basement, so I don't think I'm gonna get any good signals anyway. So let's just put that on the side, shall we? All right. This looks like for the wiring for the antenna. Again, probably not gonna use it, so let's just put that on the side. Okay. Manual is pretty much just plug and play, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. So let's just put that on the side. Okay. Oh, this is just some. I'm just kidding. Oh, Jesus Christ! What was that? Alright. This is a beauty. Look at that. Check that out. Front, back. Looks like a 10-foot cord. Awesome. God, it's so sleek. Look at those knobs. Shit! That's awesome. That is awesome. By the way, I got this for free. I am a lab technician during the day, and during my work hours, we sometimes get rewarded with points that we can use to shop online on this website that's affiliated with my company. And over the past couple months, I was actually able to accumulate enough points to buy this bad boy. So yeah, good purchase, let me say so myself. So it does look like this is just gonna be a plug and play. So, first things first, we gotta do some cleanup. Yeah, I'm working on a big project here. I'm sorry for the paraphernalia. Yeah, just, you know, trying to get my name out there. Okay, yeah, so I gotta get rid of that. What is that?
Look at these dead flies! Maybe if we arrange them in a certain order, it plays a hologram.
Yeah, that didn't do anything. Oh well. Big Rick and Morty fan, by the way. Guys, seen the new season? God, it's hilarious. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. So first things first, I removed all the wires from behind the receiver and taped them to the top of my desk to make sure they weren't crossed or mixed up. Then I removed the receiver, cleaned the top a bit because it was just filthy. So before I started to hook up anything, I wanted to make sure I got the wiring correct. So I just grabbed some old wires, clipped the tip, and just hooked them up to the new receiver to my subwoofers to make sure that everything worked. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need that manual. By the way, I actually have two JBL ceiling speakers that I've been having for a while. I'm gonna hook them up and see how they sound. I mean, they were actually given to me brand new, so I don't see why they wouldn't work. So let's try it out. Try and maybe hang one there in the corner and the other one in the other corner. Let's read this manual. Okay. Alright, so the manual says, first, I mean, I already have everything wired from my old receiver, so I'm just gonna go from there. But I need about 10 millimeters of wire exposure. So, wow, I randomly cut this and it's 10.9 millimeters. I am good. Red is positive, going to the red terminal. You also want to give it a nice twist. As I was saying, you want to make sure you twist the tips and give it a nice little hook where you could wrap it around the rod and then twist the cap to make sure it's secured. I'll be honest with you, you'll see me moving my mouth, but I can't even remember what I'm saying. And that should be it. Run it through the back. Oh yeah, I think I do remember what I was saying here. I was saying make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for that YouTube algorithm, because it really helps my channel. Thank you. Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, this part took a lot longer than I expected. I'm kind of used to receivers or stereos where, you know, you just flick the little red or black tab and it'll open up and you stick the exposed wire in it and then you flick it back up and then it was closed. But with this one, you had to unscrew it, hook it around a rod and then close it. That was just way too high tech for me. Okay, so that is hooked up. I am going to, I think I'm gonna turn it on now just to see if my wiring works. Before I install the JBL speakers, I just want to make sure everything is working fine, everything's hooked up fine. So now just to connect my JS aux, which is going to connect to my laptop, and I'm just gonna go on Apple Music and just play music from there. Let's see. I'm not exactly sure which one that was in, but back to the manual. And plugging it in freaks me out. Whoa! That would have been bad. Turn the volume down. So I figured out the problem. I think the new receiver that I bought gives out too much power. What I was running on my old receiver was, I'm not sure if you can see it, but was this tiny wire. So I decided to go to Best Buy and buy some stereo wire, because I'm hoping this will work, because when I installed the sticker wire, it worked. I only got one, so only one of my subs worked, and this is the only one I can find. So let's try it out. What's going on, everybody? So I installed the new cables. I guess I was right. The gauge of the cable is just wasn't thick enough. I guess the receiver was just giving out too much voltage, I guess. So I upped the gauges, and now this subwoofer and that subwoofer is working phenomenal, even better. With the old receiver, it was kind of okay, wasn't giving out the full power of it, but with this receiver, beautiful, so nice and sleek. But it gives out maximum output for both subwoofers. So now I'm going to install my ceiling speakers. I'm not really sure how this is gonna work out, but you know, screw it, why not? Just for longer content, I guess. But yeah, let's try it out. Awesome, so I was able to hook a positive and negative behind the receiver, cut out some ends, and hook it to the back of this, and it works. This is the in and this is the out, 2 and 3. And I thought, you know, there was no way I was gonna get like some, you know, loose wires to fit in there. I thought, yeah, I would need a special like adapter or something, but I didn't realize that I can take this off and there's screws on the top, and when you screw it on, these little platforms start rising up. So that I was planning on using hot glue gun, so I mean, now I don't have to use it at all. But my plan is connecting one of these JBL speakers, running through the back, probably behind my desk, and I'm just gonna put one right next to the AC, and then my end goal is to hang them on each of these corners over there and over there. But I guess just for now, I'm just gonna keep one there and maybe keep somewhere, I don't know, it's a freaking mess in here. But yeah, when I finally have them installed up in the ceiling, I'm probably gonna do one in the, probably show you in the next video. So let's hook these up and see what we get. Peace. All right, so I realized that I didn't have enough wires, so I'm just gonna probably just put both JBL speakers right next to each other. I think kind of, you know, gives it a nice cool look. But yeah, I would really recommend getting the Yamaha Natural Sound Network receiver. The R-N303 I think is a remarkable receiver. Honestly, it's better, way better than my Denon, this old junk from like the 1980s. But it's like 200 bucks on Amazon. I would really recommend getting it. I hope this video helps you in any way. But yeah, my name is Richie. This is my channel, Richie's Revelations. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for that YouTube algorithm. And I will see you next time. Peace.